You work on this homework, and my favorite one is create that arc. I always tell the clients, go ahead and step inside, put this on your foot, like this, spread, and you can turn up here. And what you're doing here is start doing this. Yeah, you see, no, like rotate in and out. Yeah, here we go. And I would say maybe get some more stretch, pull more. Here we go. Especially in this one. You see what she's doing here now? Yeah. And if you, David, give me that long band. Oh, it's right in here. There we go. This is the first one. This is like so light and easy exercise. Perfect. How do you feel? You feel
Good.
that?
Loosened up.
Yeah. Next one, it's coming from the side. You can leave that band up there. I'll step this one inside. And I want to get this one up here. And she's doing the same thing. So how she's doing? She attached to the door. And there we go. Just, don't let me rotate. Here we go. I probably put too much pressure on her. Yeah, here we go. Look at that. The ankle is start working. Look at this. He's gonna create that.
To create an arch.
Yeah, create that arc. Arch.
Mm-hmm.
Arch. Galina, stop. Yep, твою мать, блядь. Okay, and this is good. All right, so yeah, you can release that band. Also, remember, this ankle is kind of collapsed. What I'm also teach people to do, attach to the door, to the wall, Sweden wall, whatever. Just make a pipe, trees, and go ahead, turn face this direction. And I come again that one, right in here. And what she's doing now, no, here we go. Get this one back. And get this leg back. No, back. This one is back. Step to me. Here we go. She started leaning that knee forward. You see, and back, like you step forward, like a lunges. Here we go. And what I'm not doing, I'm trying to not, she's not collapsing there, you see? And that's what we want to do. And so, of course, it's going to take time. Look at that. And I'm taking more and more. And I release it, try to make a couple of steps. See how you feel. Does that feel different?
Yeah.
Yeah, this feels different. Okay.
Feels better.
Good. Next one, you're going to turn face towards the wall. And I want you to squeeze that block. Here we go. You see she squeezed that block? And now she's going to do step on her toes. And hold that block. Don't forget the block. Keep squeezing them. Here we go. Look at that. Perfect. How's that?
Good.
Exactly. Ooh, I'm here. Yeah. There we go. This is great. Look at that. She's squeezing that. It's not make her ankle collapse inside. So when she squeeze it and raise this up, raise this up. It's good. Let it go and try to see how you feel now.